Should we take it? Alright, let's see. Can you see that account number on there? Hopefully not. I don't think it matters, but I don't know. No, you can't down there. Okay. So, this is the paid account, or the, you know, funded. I've already passed the eval on that one. And then I also have another account. Damn, yeah, I probably should have. And we're breaking that, so maybe we should get in, you know? I don't think we should go 7 contracts. I don't know, maybe we should. Let's just see how strong the price is moving. What are we at? We're only at 600 ticks for the day. And let's put this over here for... Oh man, it got rid of the other one. That sucks. What did I have? 70... It was on 7 contracts. It made $1,000 basically, because I'm shooting for like $1,000 a day on this account. Or I guess 500 a day on this account, and it would be, you know, if I was copy trading, that would equal 1,000. So let's go here. Let's do this. Let's say 500 and see. That's 14 ticks. Maybe I should do 1,000 a day. So that would be like 30, right? Yeah, 33. That's right. It's all 33 is what I had. All of it. Okay, so let's go here and here and here. Let's zoom this out. What are we on, the 1 minute? Yep, that's good. I'd say we're probably good to go on taking a buy here. I really wouldn't mind seeing a stronger looking trend, but I definitely don't want to lose any on this. It's got to be, right? Like, we're already up here in the overbought area, but no fucking way it did that to me. Let's make sure it's 498. So it actually dropped me down about $100 on that. Yeah, I want more like stronger price movement. I'd like to catch a bigger trend, you know. Although this is looking good.
Order filled.
Damn though. Maybe I should drop the contract size a little bit, just in case it goes against me. See what I mean? Look at this. This sentiment's just not... I don't know what we got going on. This might just be like a false move kind of thing, and then we're going to break low today, which is what I thought would happen because we went crazy on the Tokyo session. I feel like, you know, normally it consolidates and London spikes. This one did that, and then this, I think we're probably going to drop it today at some point. But I could be wrong. I don't know. It's really hard to say. Okay, this is bigger. I think we're going to drop here now. I mean, I'm not going to take it. Not the best way to start the day. Down $100 first trade. And I was up 125 when I hit sell. It just dropped so quick that it put me down 100. A little less than 100. $94, I think. what's going on with the Bitcoin. Sorry if I'm tired. I was up way later than I wanted to be. I was going to go to the gym before, but ran out of time. This looking decent here. I don't know, man. I'm not really seeing like the volume that I thought I would today. It is a Tuesday. That said, I mean, within the first minute we broke out of orbs, though. It's not like we're going to range all day, I don't think. At some point, there'll be a giant rise or fall. And we just got to figure out when it is and get in on it. I might have to wait a minute for it. There we go. Had to change this. Trying to log into X so we can figure out, you know, if there's any tweets or anything I need to know about. God, this is annoying. Having a hard time logging in with it. My computer was doing some weird stuff, so I deleted a bunch of stuff, and now I gotta like go back and re-sign in and all, you know. What is this? Campaign manager? What the hell is that? Remind me later. Alright. Why won't it let me in here? Actually, I think that is the correct one. Let's try it. Actually, no, I don't think it is. I think that's for Instagram. Too many accounts. Let's go over here and see. Guess I can just use this thing again. That way I can plug it in. I have too many devices and stuff. Alright. So why am I not logged in here? Let's try this. Cool, that worked. All right. Now I just need to bring this one over to here. Oh, here we go with that again. We got a watch on, yes. Normally they want a picture. If you click on this, you can see them. You can see some nice watches on here. Just checking. I don't want to repeat it that last time. But yeah, what do we have here? We've got a, looks like GMT Master 2. It's pretty nice. Let's double check. It's rising. I don't know, man. I think at this point, I'm going to have to wait on the right kind of setup. I mean, otherwise we're just gambling, and that's how I lost that $100 at the start. So. Five units. Especially if my profit goal is $500. Let's say we do 3 units. $495 at 33. Yeah, so should I go 3? Yeah. See, I don't know, man. It seems like it's getting ready to come down a little bit there. With that stupid trailing drawdown, see, I would have just entered on any of this, you know, especially this right here. Definitely not so much this with that chop, but one of these, absolutely enter and just ride it out because I know it's going to eventually work out. Put my stop loss here and call it good, right? But I can't do that with these trailing drawdowns. They screw you, man. You have to just do like little scalps as your best bet, you know, if you're pretty good at guessing direction. But look at how much chop there is. Look at these wicks on both sides, either sides. Like every 5th candle here is a bunch of dojis, and then we'll go like 5 more. We're probably gonna have some more doji. I mean, it's super uncertain, you know. We need like solid moves like this. Look at this. This is what we came from. Look at that, you know. And then this is the best we can get after that. Not great. Look what I tell you. It's another doji. So it's risky times to try to trade the way that I'm having to trade on these prop accounts, you know, until after I get that buffer zone built up. You know what I mean? That's major bummer for sure, but I'm not trading this right now. We're gonna have to let it drop some. I mean, I wonder if I should link the two together. So if I come over here, I believe manage groups. I had this saved yesterday. Now there's no groups here, so don't know what the hell that's about, but it may be because you can't group those two together. I don't know. Bitcoin's hanging here at 90. All right, we've we've got two flat bottom, flat top downside candles. Give me a seriously strong white doji, and then let's do this thing. Good, good. So far, so good. This one or one more and then a doji. I think we're going to touch this 21 EMA and then reverse. Hopefully, that's the plan. Maybe good. Yeah, I'd say right around to here something. Look at that. That lines up perfectly with this area right here. We went up and then sideways, so we can, you know, hopefully get past this and then go back up. That's what I'm wanting. And then on that move up is when I'm going to try and get this $600 out. 500 is what I'm shooting for, but well, now 6 because I'm down 100. I'm at 49,908 and 30 cents. All right, you wicked past it just enough to get some people's stop losses. What do you think they're going to this one? Right there somewhere? I don't know. Yeah. And then what? Is just the body going to hit this, I wonder? Guess time will tell. Super hard to say. Wow. Golly. All right. Let's see what the actual candles are looking like. Yep. Oh, that scared me. I thought we were on micros for a minute. I was like, no, I need more money. I wonder if I had a, I mean, it could go either way. Might be better off to go with more contracts, you know what I mean? Like, it's just, it can go so fast against you. You know what I mean? Just a few ticks and you're like, you know. Nowhere near strong enough. This is a reversal, not a retest. Although, I don't know. I haven't drawn trend lines in a long time. I used to do that a lot. Maybe I ought to see what that's doing. Because those are usually pretty accurate, you know. But I don't really, I've been mostly just trading the strategy that works. Because, again, with those, you have a lot of situations where you could have pretty substantial drawdown and then, you know, for a retracement kind of thing, but I can't have that on this type of account, not yet. I wonder if it flipped this 21 EMA to resistance now. No, No, it looks like we're going back above it. This would be a good spot, probably. But I need a little bit more of a confirmation on that. It's pretty strong downtrend. And that doji is nowhere near big enough to engulf its prior candle, so it's a little risky to me, to be honest. We do have a very clean setup here. I just wish this was bigger, a little bit more momentum, a little more volume. You know, especially for the time. It's 9:19 right now. Like, this is a good time to be trading. Wonder if I should put like a 5-minute, same chart just on the 5-minute, just lower here, almost like an indicator like this. You know what I mean? It's a lot of wick. I don't know, man. I feel like this is just a little bit of a pullback before we further down. But yeah, that's what I think is going on here. Well, not a great day to try to so far it's not feeling super stoked about today. I mean, things could change, but half tempted to go work out and then come back and see if the, you know, overall vibe has changed. I mean, that's a pretty strong move up, but it was deceptive. Why so much more volume here than here? It's because everyone's feeling the way I am. They're like, I don't know what to think about it, and then it's like more and more confident as it goes. But here in a minute, rug will probably drop. I bet you we put in a lower high, not a higher high here. We'll see, because this is a lower low, you know, and I doubt we're just gonna get bigger and bigger. You know what I mean? I think we're more likely going like this, you know what I mean? But who knows? This is probably one of the biggest candles we've had so far. Yeah, well, right in the beginning, everyone was all excited and happy, and now we're here. What the hell? What caused that to go over there like that? Now there's like a weird gap over here. Oh, I see. That somehow got rid of that. That's what it was. Weird. Weird. Man, I don't know. Let's see if we take out this high. If we take out the high, I'll be a little bit more confident in going long, but I don't know, man. It's a weird day. See? Lower high. But I'm still not confident taking, I mean, I don't know. It's risky taking shorts right now. We're above the orb, we're above the 100 EMA. You know? Weird day. I mean, it's just weird. We're having such a hard time getting over, you know, getting a one, not even to 100. We're like at 75% of the orb range, of the opening range right here. You know, this would be 100. This is about half that, right? Where we're at here. So, and then here's 1. So this is 50%. You know, same distance from here to here. This is so weird, man. I'm not a fan. What's Bitcoin doing? Pretty much the same thing, basically. So, is that a Tudor? Nice. Is that a Rolex or a Tudor? I can't tell. I think it's a Tudor. Yeah, it is. I love those. Not necessarily this color. I kind of like the band on that. I haven't seen anyone using those yet, but that's not bad. I like it. The hell, is that a Vacheron Constantine or whatever that is? Can't see it. Seagull. I don't know that one. I love these, man. They look so vintage. I love them. One of my favorite watch brands for sure. It's unique. See, back down we go. I knew it. I knew we weren't going to put in a higher high right there. Not without a pullback. We may still do it now. Depends on if we get a lower lower here. If we get a lower low, then for sure the trend is changing, right? But and the volume, this, I don't know, the volume's growing a little bit. Super hard to say. We'll see if we bounce off this EMA like we have been. Datejust with a smooth bezel. That's nice. I think these are the newer ones, right? Or no? I don't know. I don't know when the stuff comes out, but I do like this smooth bezel like that. I can't remember what they call it. Day. I don't know. I like Datejust better than Day, to be honest with you. But I do like the I think this is what are the presidential bracelet, I think is what it's called. I don't know. I know I don't think it's Jubilee. No, I don't think so. And then it's not the Oyster Perpetual one or whatever that is. That's all that's on here is just these. I guess I should add mine. Is this a Breitling or what is this? It's kind of sharp. I actually like it. I think it is a Breitling. Yeah. Pretty nice. I like this one. Yeah, I'll put mine on there. Trying to. All right. Yeah, it is that watch business post. So let's go here. That is the weirdest watch I've ever seen. I'll show it to you guys here in just a second. I think it was this one here. Yep. I wonder if you can, man, look, it's dropping. That's crazy. Not quite a lower low yet. Golly, man, what a rough day. It's a risky day to trade. I definitely don't want to. I don't know. Might be better off going with the prop challenge, with that 50K challenge account instead of my funded account. What do we have here? I still don't like the setup, man. It's not right. It's not A+ at all. It's like maybe a C. You know what I'm saying? I'm not for that. Yeah. I think we're going lower. I think we may. We'll see. Maybe not. So we got a high here. So we got a lower low. It's actually not lower low, but we do have a lower high and still a higher low. Now it looks like we're trying to go back up. Nasty. Alright, well, I made my post. let's go back to this. All right. Yeah, I don't like this at all. I don't know what it's doing, so that's why I'm kind of like a little iffy on it. You know what I mean? Looks almost like an M formation here. So I would have thought we would drop big time, which would make this more into a W if this goes up, and then we might actually go up. Low or high? I don't know what we're doing here. I think we're like getting extended before a drop is what I feel like, to be honest with you. But there's no telling. Wonder if Trump has said anything. So now if I go back to this post again and see if my comment's on there. Yep, there it is. Cool, cool. Yeah, I like that one. So what do we got? I'm curious what these people say. Still just being weird. So what are they saying? This is a cool page. My daughter would love this stuff. She likes puzzles, you know. Because I was too shy to dance on TikTok in 2025, huh? Ugh. 10K. Well, where did that post go we just saw? Employees opening. I don't know. I don't really do too much in that kind of stuff, but what else we got? Any kind of news? Come on. There's an old saying. I'll go text you. Block him. Oh my god. That is hilarious. And that's from actual Elon Musk, right? Yeah, there's an old saying. If a hot girl texts you about crypto, block him. That is hilarious. That's my favorite, one of my favorite memes of all time, you know. So her hair turned brown eventually, huh? It's funny. This is a decent move. Okay, and we're at a higher high, so now we might actually be going up. I don't know. This is like a W. I think we're good. I may try one here. If I find the right time. 23 seconds.
Order filled.
Shit. Go up.
Stop filled.
Fuck. I hate days like this, man. So, what are we at? So, 269. God dang it. Fucking pain in the ass, man. Okay, so we gotta majorly drop that down to like 2 and try and build it up now. God, I hate that the only days the market moves solid are when I'm working. You know what I mean? Why can't it just be a normal good day on the only times I can trade? Yesterday was a great day, but I got screwed out of that, and now today's a silly ranging day. Damn it, man. Now I think I'm down, what, 760 or something, 740. Actually, it's I'm at 49,269. So let's say 7. I would say, I don't know. Man, look at this bullshit. Why that candle? You know what I mean? Why the one that I chose to get in on? Well, I'll do one more tiny trade to try and offset losses a smidge, and if it doesn't work out, I'm done with this account for the day and maybe done trading. Like I said, I probably should have just gone and worked out. This is a fucking W pattern. It should have gone up, but this is what we're getting instead, man. Anyway, yeah, I may be better off to go work out and then come back and, you know. It's frustrating. I just have to remember, like, losses are normal. It's all good. Don't get mad. It's frustrating, though. Meanwhile, I'm getting Meanwhile, sorry, checking those messages there. That was one of them, is a message for Take Profit Trader, you know. Deals on there. I may try and go with that too, because I do like that you don't have the trailing drawdown. Man, that thing is such trash, you know, trailing drawdown. It causes me to trade in a way that I'm not great at. I'm much better trading when I don't have that to worry about. The market moves up and down, you know what I mean? That's normal. I don't know why they have a problem with it. But it's what it is. It is what it is. Have to trade that way, so. God, it was beautiful too. I mean, you know. I don't know. Sometimes that happens. What is this, $200? God damn it, I'm so mad. May not even be worth. I mean, what were the odds of that, man? as tempting as it is, I just can't trade on something that's not my setup. I shouldn't have done it. W's I don't normally trade, even though, well, I say that. I will, but not in conjunction with the orb. Like, that's not usually something that's maybe first time I've ever done that, you know? You normally get a little handle and then it takes off sometimes. Like, I've seen that too, so maybe that's what this is. But, and in retrospect, that would have made sense. More so with, well, I don't know, I guess if you've got the whole thing oriented that way, what's this low? Slightly higher, so yeah, that makes sense. More on this candle here than on this one, but whatever. And, you know, because that's quite a bit higher than this is, you know. So now are we going to shoot up or what? What are we doing now? We're going to the 2 here. $90. That wick is too big to be confident. Well, it looks good now, doesn't it? I can always add more, so. $190. Yeah, maybe taking these little scalps is the better way to go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Go on up there. Wonder why the stops moved like that. Don't fucking do it. There we go. Shit.
Stop filled.
That's it for the day on that one. I fucking hate Tuesdays. Literally my least favorite day to trade. Then comes Thursdays. and Mondays are about tied. Mondays can be good though, so it's from worst to best. It's Tuesday, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If I didn't have that stupid trailing drawdown to worry about, we would have got in over here and held it from there to there. I wonder if there's a prop firm that doesn't have a trailing drawdown. That just, you know what I mean? At any point, like there's no buffer zone, no nothing. You pass it and then they trust you to trade the way you traded to pass the thing. Even though that's what you have to pass these with the trailing drawdown. Make sure I'm on my, yeah, I'm on that account. So for this one, we're gonna go a lot more like, I gotta make 3 grand on these. I normally go like 3,125. Is that right? 70. Do I use all 10 is why? $63. Yeah, that's why. Let's go 8 and do 66 ticks, which puts me not 3 grand. $78. It's gonna be hard to get. I guess I'll just do 10. Yeah. And I only have a $2,500 drawdown on this. This is absolutely not the day for something like this because there's no real strong movements. That's what you need. You need like major moves to knock this out mid move like that. And at the rate on that other account, I'll be passing that one again. You know, having to go through another prop challenge on that. I've never done that. Reset the I can't remember if it's end of month or end of pay cycle. If it's end of month that it resets, I think it's pay cycle. What is today's date? Because it may actually 22nd. I don't know. It may. I'll have to look, but I might just be a couple days away from it resetting anyway. So if that's the case, I mean, I might as well YOLO right here. I work the next 2 days, so I won't be able to really trade then. So we gotta do something on different music here. What's this? Let's see. Now the reversal. I kind of like that song. Okay. It's so unpredictable right now. We've got a perfect setup here, but I wish this was a doji to show me we're going up.
Order filled.
how the fuck am I down? It said 100 and then I clicked it, it went to 50, but now it's saying $49,919 there. I'm getting pissed and it's causing me to trade bad. I hate that, man. All right, yep, deal with that. There we go. Yeah, nothing going on, just logging up. That's how. What was this person thinking? What were they gonna do? What did they think they were gonna do here? He said, "How's it going?" So he's trying to be nice, and then guy wasn't having it. I've seen this dude. He's good. Huh. Interesting. Watch this family drop all the way down, probably. This would be interesting. Church at the bottom, yeah, that's gonna happen. Online's gonna go all the way to the top here once that happens. Probably, maybe in the, you know, I don't know, sometime after 2000, I'm sure it'll start really. Yeah. Holy cow. Family is dropping down to the midpoint. Sad. These masks. Yeah. Oh my god, those are beautiful. I like them both. I don't know which one I like more. The dude's not doing anything. That's a little sketch, you know. You never know until we know everything. I mean, but I'm not saying maybe he felt a gun right there or something. No. What the? He feels something. Oh, dude's okay. So guy's fighting him, and if he felt a gun while he's fighting him, then you know. I don't know that I don't think I'd go to the ground. No. Now you got all kinds of problems. Yeah, so most likely that is a gun. Dude has something, probably a gun, and I guess, I don't know the whole story. If he didn't have a gun, then that's not great. This, you know, from what I can see, it looks like a bad shoot if the guy did not have a gun. But if he had a gun, 100% the cop's fine. He handled it pretty weirdly because dude's trying to you know, I don't think I'd try and go grappling with someone with a gun. I mean, I'd rather just pull mine and say, hey, you know, you move quick and it's over, you know, and then let them know, like, talk and let them know what's happening. I'm gonna take your gun off you now. I've got my gun pointed at you. Oh, what are we gonna pursuit? Yep, you put it in drive. You better, golly.
Incompetent and was not running the country.
What's going on?
Failed to cover the fact that Joe Biden was mentally incompetent and was not running the country. It is also true that many people in this room who have used this talking point that Elon is not elected fail to understand how government works.
Yeah.
So I have the opportunity for a brief civics lesson. A president is elected by the whole American people. He's the only official in the entire government that is elected by the entire nation, right? Judges are appointed, members of Congress are elected at the district or state level, which is one man. And the Constitution, Article 2, has a clause known as the vesting clause, and it says the executive power shall be vested in a president, singular. The whole will of democracy is imbued into the elected president. That president then appoints staff.
Look, if you could have just got in and held it,
onto the government.
but all this would have blown the accounts.
Is the unelected bureaucracy of lifetime tenured civil servants who believe they answer to no one, who believe they can do whatever they want without consequence, who believe they can set their own agenda no matter what Americans vote for. So Americans vote for radical FBI reform, and FBI agents say they don't want to change. Or Americans vote for radical reform on our energy policies, but EPA bureaucrats say they don't want to change. Or Americans vote to end DEI, racist DEI policies, and lawyers in the Department of Justice say they don't want to change. What President Trump is doing is he is removing federal bureaucrats who are defying democracy by failing to implement his lawful orders, which are the will of the whole American people.
Man, beautiful.
Failed to cover the fact that Joe Biden was
probably this one, then this one, and then I don't really care about any of the others. Oris, huh? Wow. I mean, I don't know what to say here. Like, let's. Yeah, for real. That's nice. Yeah, I like this, but I want it not as a day date like this one, this rose gold with the chocolate dial, but I want it as a sky dweller. That's what I want. Probably sky dweller with the Jubilee bracelet is what I think I want for that, you know. I don't even know how much you'd have to pay for one of those. And then these are crazy expensive. The Patek Philippe, whatever, however you say them, I don't know. And I don't know what this is. This looks a lot. I thought at first, I think maybe a T-Star. I don't know. I thought at first maybe it was a Vacheron Constantine or whatever, but I don't think that's what this is. I don't know what this is. Pretty nice. I don't know if I should even trade today. I wish there was some news happening or something. That's like one good thing for sure Apex will let you do, is trade news. So I'm down 100 here and almost $1,000 on the other one. I think what I'm gonna have to do is just save up all my vacation days at work and take like a month off so that I can trade the days where I'm able to make money. You know what I mean? I don't know what else to do, because like it's pretty bad luck. It seems like every time I'm able to trade, the market does not do what I need it to. It's too choppy or whatever, you know. It's a Tuesday, you know. And I just can't not afford those drawdowns. 25, I'm already down I don't know why this isn't doing what it's supposed to. There we go. Should I buy? Is it gonna drop immediately once I do? Maybe I should set this for like a lower. That volume's dropping too. I don't like it. I feel like it's gonna drop. This is a big concern. Unless we're about to have a big push to the 3 here. Looks like we're losing steam big time for a drop, man. That's what I think is happening. And if you see that there, look at that. I mean, it's... You know what I mean? So that's a divergence. We've got definitely a bearish divergence. but that's on volume, not on this here. Keep making a higher high here though. I mean, I guess I could make it go down if I buy. That's what I wanted to see there. Now the question is, will it actually drop here? And that's hard to say, but only one way to find out, I guess. Should I go for the grand here or no? Yeah, I didn't think so. I think we're pushing for that 3. That 150. Keeps on dropping the volume here. I feel like it's going to come down. I don't know if we're going to quite hit it before we go down. I'm thinking not. I think there's going to be a lot of people. I don't know though. You never know. Sometimes they'll grab that and go down. I get the feeling this one will be a fairly measured move. Let's see. I'm curious if we do that. Pretty close there. And you get another smaller measured move there. So let's see what it would be here to the high there. And then that goes to that one. Then it pulls down a little. So we're going from these to that, not I guess that would mean that from here to, it's really not, this was part of that one. It would be more like from here to there is what we can probably expect. One from here. So this is the area where it may pull back to. If we do have a pretty violent pullback, it'll go there. If not, we're definitely going up here to this one, right? But instead, we're just getting a ton of wick, so that no matter where I enter, it's enough to, you know, take me out of that. I hate trading on days like today. I'm so tempted to just try and go with smaller scalps on that one account. I mean, it's so close to being blown out now. The odds of being able to like put it back up to where it needs to be, a little iffy. What the hell is this music that we're dealing with here? Well, we just keep going up. We're at 91, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do kind of an odd Bitcoin buy. I'm gonna leverage way lower than I normally would. Like, we'll go. Actually, I'm gonna go about 100 on it, which is higher than I normally would. But and position size, we're just gonna go something low like this. Okay, I want my stop loss to be, let's say here. Where's my, let's see, it'll tell us 88959. So yeah, I 100% can go here without it. So that's where the stop loss is gonna be. This is cool. It's got kind of a nice like Asian vibe to it, you know. because we're going to get a pullback there. So actually what I may do is just, I'll put this over here so y'all can see it. Okay, so I've got that there. Latest price, cool, we're good there. Let's just make sure that's all still good. Not sure why that's... There we go. And I like those to be this way. All right. Okay, now we're all set up. Okay, now's a good time. So let's do that. Everything's good there. Let's go. I can hit this a million times and it's not going to matter. Okay, that should enter in a minute and then it'll be over here. Now what I want to do is get my trailing stop loss in order. I'm going to go here, we're going to get this. And I'm going to say, I mean, I want it to be fairly high, honestly, because let's go over here with it. What the hell? Why can't I move this thing? There we go. God, okay. So point, I mean, that's kind of high. I guess that's good. Let's just do a 0.5, right? I would say that's probably not a bad plan. 0.4, let's do 4.4. Okay. So that means the activation price, so I don't lose money, would need to be like here somewhere. Yeah, that's actually about perfect. Okay, so now I need to go down to open orders. It did. Okay, sweet. We went in now with that short there. Perfect. Now it'll go down for a little retracement and then hopefully bounce up. What I need to do now is go to positions. Let's add a trailing stop loss. The price where it's going to start is going to be there. What did I say? Oh, 0.44 if I remember right. 100% of it will sell. Confirm. So now hopefully, man, that's pretty big. Hopefully it doesn't come down and take out this stop loss right here. That's a bigger pullback than I was expecting on it. Hopefully this is the right size. Yeah, that's bigger than all these, so we're still good. Down $2 there. God almighty. Some days it just, I don't know, man. We'll see here. It's not looking good. It's looking like I may just, that's quite a pullback. Let's see. I mean, we can go all the way to here. Let's put a little line so I can see where I put my stop loss basically here. So right about there. Let's just put this here. So that's my stop loss. This can come over here somewhere because we know that that's, actually I might as well just leave it where it was so we can see where. All right. Are we getting a serious pullback on this too now? No. Going up to the 3, like I said before, now we'll probably have a pullback. guess I'll close BTCC for now. That way just these two are open and these are open. Trying to lighten the load on the PC a little bit. Yeah, we are getting, told you, there's the pullback. How measured will it be from there to there? I bet this will be substantial. Should I go for it? If we break below this, I will, but I'm not doing it until that. I think we're gonna bounce off this and go up maybe. I don't know though. It's too much wick to know, you know, what's gonna happen, but that is one giant doji there. Yeah, it's looking pretty promising, but again, I need to see probably on the next oh, absolutely the next candle, because we're about to go there now. We'll see. Yep. Maybe I do just lots of these, like little. I mean, the odds of me hitting that are pretty high, right? I could even go lower, get like little $200 increments. Maybe that's the way to do it with a giant stop loss. It's kind of a gamble because with 10 contracts, I mean, you could just go boom and be down. You'd be screwed right there just in a matter of 1 or 2 seconds, you know. Before you can hit sell, you can be your account blown with 10 contracts. But I just hate having to be right so many times to get up to my profit target. But if I did this 3 trades a day, that would be 6 on 2 accounts, would put me at $1,200 a day. And I feel like, you know, between all the strategies, I should be able to scalp out 3 positive trades a day. Hopefully no losers. That's pretty rare, but look at this chop, man. We're gonna drop now, finally. Hard to say. Oh, do I have 2? No, it's just 1 EMA. Because I could use that ribbon one and put that in there, but I don't need to. I guess I can get rid of this. I'm really not even using it. That RSI or whatever it is. Is this the reversal point up here, or is this just some chop so that we can go up? I don't know, but I gotta go to the restroom. Had too much Mountain Dew, so. Where is that? Oh, right there. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. And it looks like, yeah, we're reversing. Right? Or what's happening here? Is it, should I try and take one of these scalps for 200? It looks like a triple bottom. We'll see if this pushes past it. It did big time. Damn it, it didn't get in. God, my luck today. When I clicked it is when I would have wanted that to work. $280. That put me up to 130. shiny maybe at the end of it. I don't know though, it's nice. I'm waiting on it. I'm not gonna lose what I just got. Finally, I'm up $138. Woo! You want some of this protein Pop-Tart, Charlie? There you go, buddy. Now the candle's white. Now it's blue. That's cool. Man, I love that kind of music. To be honest, that's one of my favorite kinds. Indian music. Okay, so yeah, trend change for sure at the 3. Like I said, I bet you we'll go to the 2. I don't know that we'll go to this. This may we kind of meet in the middle kind of thing is what I think, somewhere over here. We'll see. And how is pretty relevant. You want another piece, Charlie? Good catch. Here's a pullback. Or is it a reversal? And was the blue the pullback? I mean, it's still, technically it's a higher high and higher low at this point. Yep. I just don't love that we're below this, but I guess honestly, I usually trade that off this alone without these, so. Last piece, okay, buddy? There you go. I wonder what this genre is called. I've always just called it Indian music, but I'm sure has like an actual genre name, you know. Man, here we go with the big giant blue. Is it gonna drop big time then? So that was a pullback. It's a reversal and a pullback here, and now this. Yep. I should definitely be able to catch a 4 right there. Where are we at? 50 seconds. I'd like to see this candle make a lower low than these, and then on the next candle get in on a. Yeah, that's what's happening. There we go. Probably good to go on it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stop loss? What the fuck? How did it? Oh no, it did. It's good. We're up $500 now. Okay, I was like, wait a minute here. Oh my lord, I had that set up to like $2 grand. That freaked me out. Unless that was just so much trailing drawdown. I don't know. I wonder if there's got to be a way to see that, right? Like what my trailing drawdown for the day is. What do you think, Charlie? Is there a trailing drawdown for the day? You think so? Come up here and look. Okay. Okay. Ugh. You're heavy, buddy. Getting fat. All right. What do you think? What do you see? Short or long? What are we doing? Not gonna tell me, huh? Too much pressure, too much responsibility. I get it. I think we're gonna go down. We already hit the 2 though. We're just gonna range between the 2 and the 3, or are we for sure going back down now all the way to the? Would be nice. Go down to here. I'd like to catch some of those bigger moves on my paid account, man. I get the feeling this one's gonna be blown, but I don't know. I mean, 507. It did take the profit. Like that's good. Right? NQ just moved so fast I couldn't see. I think that's what's going on. I don't think I've like reached my drawdown yet. I think we're going down for this here. I really would like to see a like to get another couple hundred out here. So we're at 507. Pretty good entry. No. Keep pushing down. Let's go. Don't you do it. Fuck you. Don't do it. Let's go. No. Don't do it. Drop down. Sweet. I'm 9-2. I'll be amazed if this works out. Oh wait, no, I need $3,000. I'll be 1,000 if here in just a minute. Yeah, man. I probably need to bump this up to like 10. Or 20. We're definitely coming down to this. I mean, damn it, come on. Shit. I clicked it the right times, you saw. I mean, it just didn't do what it was supposed to. Now we've touched this, and now we can go back, and now I don't know. I mean, now I'm like it's too risky. Unless we go below it, and we're trying to get down to the orb range, to the range there, high. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's awfully risky here. That one actually went through. Let's see what happens. I took it because it kept playing around too much. So what are we at? 51.24. I want to enter. I should have. All right, buddy. There we go.
Order filled.
I wonder if I should have just done like a go positive even just a little bit and I'll take it, please. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on, we were right there. Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
Stop filled.
Fuck me sideways, man. I wonder if the count's blown now. I don't know. I think I have 500, so. God dang it. All that work wiped out. What a shitty day. God, I'm mad. The only way to do this is to... Doing it like this isn't going to work. I'm going to have to probably blow this account and then start it over. Go with 10 contracts, $3,000, you know, 31.25, whatever, and then just go for it like that. Like it has to be in a move. You have to wait for a tweet or some shit. So I need to have like 2 or 3 of these. And then I'll link them together, pass them the same time. The next time Trump tweets something, hopefully guess the right direction, and then $40 if it don't, you know, and reset it. But that's how you have to do it. You have to wait. It has to be an excellent day for the orb, you know, really solid price movement. It can't spend 7 hours only going 2-3 at the max, you know. Like this isn't cutting it. This isn't gonna do it. You know what I mean? You need this to happen. You know what I'm saying? Way too much chop to pass it like that with that drawdown, those stupid drawdowns. Maybe just go to take profit or something, trader. I may have to try that, because they don't have that stupid bullshit on their, you know, on their challenges. You can pass them without doing that. That may be what I have to do. I hate these trailing drawdowns. Hate them. And nobody's disillusioned on what it is. This is the way that the prop firms make their money, but it fucks over people who trade, you know, who plan for drawdown in their trading of, you know. This would be no big deal. I'm only down a tiny amount with 10 contracts. I mean, you could make that back in a hurry if you weren't so worried about having to get out the millisecond it starts to go, you know, taking profits every $100-200. You know what I mean? If I was allowed to just hold it, I'd be up thousands by now, you know. But if you don't have that kind of money, you know, then prop firms are the only way you can do this, you know, and they know that, so kind of at their mercy, and this is what you get. I wonder... Yeah, that won't work. Man, what a crappy day for trading. What time is it? Maybe I'll go work out and come back and try again. It's only, oh, it's 11, yeah. Sometimes there's another move in the afternoon.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's just see. It won't let me now.
Order rejected.
Yeah. Well, that one's gotta pay 40 bucks to restart that one now. I wonder if I go with that other account, if I can just make little, like what I was doing here, just do quick little $100 things, you know. So let's put this, that's at 42 grand, yeah. So let's say, let's do like 8 contracts. Maybe I should just do like 200 a pop. I mean, you know what I mean? There's no way in hell I can't hit that, right? Let's go with like a grand. I mean, maybe that 1280. Son of a bee. Look at this bullshit candles, man. 3 giant dojis. Like, what the hell is going on today? Why is it so indecisive? Pick a direction and go. Why can't it do this on the days I work at my normal job and not on the days I'm able to trade? Of course. God damn it. Look at that. What the fuck, man? Just some days shouldn't trade. Part of the problem is it's like 1,000 degrees in here. I'm gonna go put the AC on. God almighty. What the fuck is happening? Did Trump tweet something? I mean, what is this?
Order filled.
Cancel. Oh, take profit. Okay, good.
Order filled. 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 Stop filled.
Shit.
Stop filled.
Well, that little run made me about 800 bucks, so that's good. I don't like that my, let's put this back down so we can start hitting those again. was happening here?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
How? 49.6. What the fuck, man?
Order filled. Stop filled.
What the heck? That was weird. I'll check it out. Alright, there we go. Well, I'm pretty sure this one just got blown, so let's see. It made that little funky noise, so I'll try and go for like a... Should I do a sell or something? That's what I needed, man. Why would... I just wish we'd have got that at a normal time, not at fucking 11. You know what I mean? That's exactly what I needed earlier today. God, what a day. I'm pretty sure that blew the account. Let's try and go for like, you know, anything. Let's just put these down to like 5 or something.
Order rejected.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'm done with the video for the day. What a wonderful day it's been. Alright, I'll pay to get these redone, and then now I've got to pass the challenge again. So that sucks ass. But I may just go with take profit or something else. I want the 20 accounts that Apex provides, but this is such bullshit, man. This stupid trailing drawdown problem. It's really, 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 really screwing me with the way I trade. Just can't, you know. But yeah, that's where we're at. So I guess I'll call it for the day on that one. So.